GEMBA Note for Business explanatory video. Let's start using the convenient GEMBA Note right away. If you have not yet installed the application, please install GEMBA Note for Business on your device by referring to the announcement mail. Also, please obtain account information, corporate ID, server URL, user ID, and password for login from the notification mail or your administrator. Tap the installed application icon and enter your account information on the login screen. Press the login button. Notes list screen, private and team. This is the screen after you have logged in. There are private and team folders for note placement. Private folders are note storage areas exclusively for the logged-in user. The team folder is a place where members of a team can share notes. Let's look at how to create a new note in your personal folder with your personal folder selected. Tap the Create New Note icon if you want to give a title to the note in advance. Enter it in the title field. You can change the title later. GEMBA Note provides various paper templates. The black triangle at the top can be used to show or hide the display. There are also special paper templates for specific tasks. When a template is selected, a notebook is created using that paper. This is the screen where the notebook is opened, and the note editing screen. You can zoom in and out by placing two fingers on the screen and changing the distance between them. Move left and right to move the display. To add more pages to the notebook, tap the plus button on the long square at the bottom of the screen. If you want to add more pages on the same sheet of paper, this is the item to do so. Also on the bottom side of the screen, the opposite of the U mark is the page switching button. The right button displays the next page, and the left button displays the previous page. To add something to the note, tap the plus button in the upper left corner. You can add a photo or paste a stamp or other item. To perform editing operations such as writing in a note, use the 6 buttons in the upper middle to select an editing mode. The leftmost view mode is for viewing only, not editing. There is no need to worry about accidentally editing when you touch the screen, so set it to view mode when you just want to look at the document. In the next point mode, you can use the laser pointer. The line pointed by the laser will disappear in a few seconds without being written. When in point mode, tap the point button again to change the color and thickness. Choose a different color and tap Done in the upper right corner. The color has changed. In the third write mode, you can write on the screen with the pen. Tap the right button again to select a different color pen. If you choose a pen with a circle or triangle picture, you can write circles, triangles, squares, and straight lines. When writing handwriting, choose the pen with a single line. You can write letters with smooth lines. Tap the right button again to close the pen palette. In the next erase mode, you can erase the lines of the pen like an eraser. In select mode, you can select a line you have drawn or an image you have pasted and edited. Move, zoom in/out, copy/paste, etc. In text mode, you can enter text characters. Tap the area on the page where you want to enter text, then write the text on the keypad for handwriting input and select from the conversion candidates on the upper side of the keypad. Tap anywhere other than the text frame, and the keypad will disappear. To return to the folder where you placed the note, tap the folder icon in the upper left corner and select Return to List to close the note. When you return to the list, the note information is automatically backed up to the cloud. To open an already existing note, tap the Notes icon in the folder. The note is now opened. Create a team. The next way to share notes is by forming a team. You can store notes and share notes in a team folder and share them with your team members in real time. Create a new team in your team folder. If you have notes open, go back to the note list. With the team folder selected, tap the plus button and select Create Team. Enter a team name and tap Done. Set the team members. Tap the plus button on the right to display the member list. Tap the circle of the member you wish to add to the team and check the checkbox. Tap back in the upper left corner to see the list of selected members, and tap Done in the upper right corner to create a team. In the team, one system folder is pre-created where notes are placed. Notes placed in this folder can be accessed by all members. Creating a shared notebook, however, in a normal notebook, editing is restricted if another member has it open, as you can see. So let's create a share note that can be edited at the same time. A share note can be opened and edited by other members at the same time. Here is how to create a shared note from a regular notebook. Open the note you want to make a shared note and select Create Shared Note from the folder icon in the upper left corner of the screen. If the original note is in a team, the team will automatically be set as the folder for the distribution method. If you are creating from a note in your personal folder, select your team's folder from the Add Distribution Method button and tap Done. Tap Create in the upper right corner to create a share note. Compare the share note with a normal note. When you have multiple notes open, you can easily switch to another note by tapping the Notes tab at the top. The Share Note has a Share menu button in the upper right corner and a Share bar on the right side. When you open the Share bar, you can see who else has the same note open at the same time. In a shared notebook, you can see what other members are editing in real time, so it is very convenient to show them what you are doing, take a picture of the scene, and discuss it with them as you write. Open the same Share notebook with your team members and experience the comfort. You can find out how to operate the application in the manual and operation guide. Please use the convenient GEMBA note as soon as possible.